Nice flowing river there. Stream, I should say. It's a good sign. Found our spot for the night. There's a road coming in. We've been here before, but we couldn't get here the last couple of times because the logging going on, but just give you a little another spot over there. Zoom in there. Fire pit over there. There's the road coming in, not too bad. That road there. Yeah. We got the lake right here. That it all. A little windy, but I mean, I'm not going to complain. We made her in. Like to stay here for a couple nights. Yeah, really windy. Fire. Right, get the river going down here, a little stream. Fire pit here. Yeah, nice spot. And a beautiful stream going down there. I love that, eh? So, yeah. Okay, we'll get all set up here. And here's where we are. Beautiful blue sky. Nice view. There's a lake there beside us. Like I say, probably stay here for a couple nights. We went in further, didn't run into any problems. The road was pretty good, so we'll make camp here in the van for 2 nights. Come along for the adventures. There's the nice lake we're on. The little stream running down. Yeah. Going for a little stroll. Nice back here though. Nice spots going on to the lake. She's windy though, so too windy to fish. Maybe later. We shall see, we shall see. But yeah. You can walk probably right around to that peak over there. If you wanted to. But I got some bundles of wood bought today, pretty good price, so I'll get some thicker, bigger sticks to take out to join the fire tonight. And yeah, nice and open in here. Never seen no deer or anything, so who knows? You never know, never know. Somebody hit a little fire back here. Little fire pit area here. But Mother Nature's calling. So, here we go. Bundle of wood I got. It's down the road from me. Buddy's selling it for $4. You can't beat that. They probably want $11 in the store, $10 anyway. So yeah, pretty good. Check them out. Need a little of this. Put all our mushrooms in, peppers, mix it all up, and then boil the spaghetti. Yummy, yummy. Yummy. Spaghetti Lakeside. What a beautiful day. Wind died down. Bugs though. But I got my fan on inside here because the window's open and it's going to suck them kind of out, right? I'm hoping. So we'll get this all fried up. Over in that and then boil our water. We're going to boil our water in our cast iron pot too. I'm sitting in the van now looking out, guys. So amazing view, 2 nights here. We'll see what we do later on. We'll be full, so I'm cooking the whole thing of spaghetti up. It's a nice sauce, so it's going to be good. Yeah. It's in there. Mushrooms. And have a nice spaghetti. So look at that, folks. Right? Amazing. Gonna be a beautiful sunset coming up from up there, overlooking the water. We got a fire pit over there. We got the little river running down there beside us. Right? Back a logging road. The roads were really good coming in. So I was impressed with that. So yeah, it's going to be good. And 2 nights, we're going to stay here for 2 because why not, right? We're not going to get a better view than this anywhere. Lake and the river. Nice sun of the river tonight. With another fire going. Oh, yeah. Whole bottle. Pour it all in. Yeah. You never have enough sauce, guys. I don't like spaghetti too dry. What we use is Garden Select, garlic and onions. So we'll put that in there. Beautiful camping spaghetti. You know, beats traditional hamburgers, hot dogs, right? Something a little different. So we'll let that simmer on that. We'll check that out. This puppy out. Oh my God. Delicious. We'll turn that off now. Might be overdoing the water, but we'll see. Ain't gonna hurt. It'll always get eaten. Almost lost it. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Let's try this out. You get lots. I don't know how much left though. Oh well. Very good. Don't mind the noises I'm making here. Slipping and slopping, but very good. Okay, let me get this. Sun's starting to go down a little bit. Had supper. So, might be a little overcast going right down, but beautiful. Look at that. Right over lake. Dishes in the lake. Rinse them off. There's my dry station over here. I'll clean them up a little better. So, that's it. This is redone. Well, no sunset tonight. Too much cloud. Overall, it's a very beautiful night out though. Doing up dishes now. Watch a movie tonight. Maybe put a fire on if the wind settles down. We already had a fire earlier, so we shall see. But beautiful though. Windy and cold again. Cool though. Gonna stay tomorrow night here too, so be cool. Be comfortable. Thanks guys. Appreciate you for following me and watching my channel. If you like to see it, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Much appreciated. Thank you. Did a live tonight for an hour and a half. Come on in, watch the movie. Now it's midnight, now we're gonna head to bed. Raining out. Rain sounds good though in the van. Nice sound. So I'll wake up in the morning. I don't think it's gonna be sunny tomorrow. It'll be overcast, but we're gonna spend another night, another day here tomorrow, another night. So we're gonna hit the hay now. Have a good night all. We'll see you bright and early in the morning. Well, maybe not too bright and early, so we shall see. There we go, a little bit of rain coming down. No wind though, not much wind. Come out for the last washroom break. And yeah. It's pretty dark out. No stars out, so. Give a little scan of the woods. Hear the river down there. Yeah, actually, it's pretty mild. Nice sounding river. So, we'll head out to bed now. Movie over. And arrange to stop in the morning. Night all. See you early in the morning. Have a great night. Beautiful morning. Missed the sunrise a little bit. They come up a little later, but that's okay. What a beautiful morning this is. No wind, pretty calm. Beautiful sound of nature, the birds chirping. River flowing. Oh, there's the sun. I see the sun. There's the sun at. There it is up there. Creeping out. Beautiful morning now. Sun's beating down on my face now. I suppose it's overcast or rain later, but all in all, we can't complain. I'm just waking up, so get this day going and stay another night. It should be pretty good. Gotta get Frankie going now. Pancakes. Pancakes it is. With sausage. And sausage. Had another river out there this morning. Nice and sunny. A little messy, but I got it. Yeah, better one. And there it is. Pancakes, and sausages, leftovers, delicious. And no ketchup on the pancakes. No way. Sitting relaxing in the sunshine, overlooking the lake. Beautiful morning this morning. Supposed to be overcast, but nice now. I'm liking it. Might do a little bit of fishing in an hour or so. Try my luck, we'll see. like a stick. Oh, there we go. Try something, I guess. Whack. Hi, buddy. Whack. Whack. Got call. Over here. Don't fall in the water. That's all I need. Don't know if it's any good. Using some shrimp bait. Kettle is boiling. We'll make it. Whack. Whack. Oh, 20 times zoom on. Whack. Here, buddy. Whack. Come here. Heading out for the day. 2 days adventure done. Fun times. Rain last night. Beautiful mornings and beautiful days though. Blue skies. So we're just gonna take off now. And I think I'm going to Provincial Park for a couple days. Saturday, Sunday, so on the road again. So until next time, guys. Appreciate you for checking out the channel. If you like what you see on the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and share if you would like, please. More adventures to come. And I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching. You know, putting the time and effort in to watch my journeys, my talks. But I appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Take care of one another, and we'll see you down the road.